So this is our Fisker door, and we're going to work out a plan. First one is to pull out this crease to get that body line. Second one is to pull out this crease and start tapping that up, just to squeeze that in, because we've got a bulge there and a bulge there. Third one is the same, pull out this dent, get that shape back and push that up, because we've got a bulge there. And the same with this one, get that dent, pull it at the same time, tap that up. That will take out the meat of this wave. We've got a crease running along there, so eventually we'll sort of lightly pull that, because there's a high spot, a crown just along that edge. And once we've got these out, then I'll apply some force to give it some lateral and see if we can bend that door slightly in, because it's just sticking out here. So that's the plan of action today. So I've removed the trim panel to get access under here, so we can start knocking this up whilst pulling out at the same time. Should be alright. It's stuck itself. It's a backstreet garage. Doing the chisel.
Why did you do that with the hammer?
It's high there, isn't it? Pull it out. So I've got the tension set up along here, forcing that door that direction. I'm going to do some light pulling in these areas and some tap downs, because I think we've got a bar here. So tap all that down, carry on with the shaping. So with the tension, I've been strengthening up this from flexing. It's got a dent there to sort out, and now you can see the door is starting to line up. So when I release the tension, that will just level out now. So the next step after this is get the door off the car, put it on a bench, then I can work on all the dents properly. It'll be nice and flat on the table. So, and plus it's raining and all my kit's getting wet. So what can we see here? So looking at the panel, it's wavy completely. Got a big high spot, got low spots. It's flexing. It's got a high spot there, and got a dent just there. I need to pull that dent out, but I'll get it straight, because a lot of it has come out. So once I take the door off, put it on a bench, I'll be able to see everything properly.